Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing an aluminum headphone stand. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we technically actually have two different products. These are actually headphone stands and headphone hangers from the company Newbie. This is actually the model NB-Z1 and this is the model NB-Z10. So you guys can use this to actually put headphones on the table, and then this you guys can actually use to actually put underneath your table and hang different sorts of headphones. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about these two products, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would really appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. And then our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you need to contact me, or if you're a business and you want to work with me, you guys can use that email address to get in reach with me. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to get more information about these two products, product information and also the link to purchase these two products will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, and also get more information and also with the link to purchase these headphone stands. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. You guys can see the packaging is fairly simple. You can actually get this in two different colors. You can get black or you can get aluminum. I think it's not aluminum, I think it's silver. But you guys can have those two different options that you guys can choose from. But as you guys can see, as I spin this packaging around, it's a fairly simple box. So what I want to do is actually shift this onto a secondary camera angle so we can have a closer shot at this product. On the front of the box, it just says Newbie, and like I was saying earlier, this is the model NB-Z1, and you guys can see there's a picture of the actual headphone stand. Just move on and actually open up this headphone stand, and once you just open it up, what we need to do is actually pull out this black little tray that they have inside the packaging. We do get a few things underneath the packaging, as you guys can see. Hopefully this is all fitting within the camera. I think this is a pop socket for your phone that you guys can actually use, that the company actually provided. We do get, I think this is one of those micro fabric cloths that you guys can use to actually clean up stuff. And this looks like a product service card that the company has provided. This is actually the base for this headphone stand. You guys can see it looks really nice. This is actually the bottom of the base, and it does have some anti-slip grips. This is how the base from the top view looks like. You guys can see it does have Newbie etched in the middle, and this is obviously where we're gonna insert the stand. This is actually the stand itself. You guys can see it is made out of metal, so if you put your heavy headphones on here, it's not gonna collapse, it's not gonna, you know, kind of weigh on one side. So it's a really durable stand. We're gonna put it off to the side, and then this is the top, or the, you know, the very top of the stand that you guys need to use and actually assemble at the top to actually place your headphones onto. And then let's actually take a look at the headphone hanger. I'm just gonna quickly unbox this one, but this is a headphone hanger that you guys can actually utilize for, you know, putting headphones underneath your table. So you guys can see this one just has Newbie etched onto the top, and yeah, and also it does have some screw plates that you guys can utilize, and you can also wrap your cables around this headphone hanger, and those 3M tape on the side, and the company has actually provided some screws, and I'm pretty sure that is just some more 3M tape. But right now what we're gonna do is actually move on to the testing and actual demonstration portion where we test this out and demonstrate this headphone stand. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna actually do is actually get this headphone stand ready to go. So what we need to do is take this and stick it into this and push all the way down. just like that. And now what we need to do is take this part right here, as you guys can see on this camera angle, and attach it onto the top. And we just gotta push down, just like that, and this is now ready to go. I'm gonna show it on its side now. You guys can see it is ready to go, and now all that's left to do is get some headphones, place them on it, test it out, and just give a demonstration. But these will be our two tests headphones that we're gonna be using in this video. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually set this onto the headphone stand, and you guys can see, voila, wow. Very presentable, looks very nice. Like if you came into someone's room and you saw them putting no headphones onto something like this, you know that it's, you know, business is about to get started. Look at this, looks really nice. It keeps everything nice and tidy. It looks really presentable. It also just looks really minimalistic. And you know, I kind of wish I had the silver color now, because I feel like that would look so nice, but the black still looks really nice and professional. Let's actually take the Treblab Z2 headphones and put these in and see how they look. Wow, that just looks so nice. Look at that. Very presentable, very nice, very sleek and modern, and just makes your table look so nice. But all that's left to do now is actually test out this headphone angle, as you guys can see on this camera angle, and I'll include a clip right here. So, what are my final opinions and remarks about this newbie headphone stand and also the newbie headphone hanger? Honestly, this is a fantastic product. I really enjoy how it makes everything more modern and also minimalistic. So, if you are in the market for, you know, looking for ways to kind of save storage and also ways to kind of minimize, you know, the potential loss of space, you know, getting a headphone stand or getting a headphone hanger that you can put underneath your table is definitely a great solution. So it is a very practical product if you're looking to save a little bit more space. But that is going to conclude our video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. And if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about these two products, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you went down below and left a like, as that informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need photo assistance, you guys can contact me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this headphone stand, or if you guys want to check out this headphone hanger, there will be links down below in the description for you guys to check out, and alongside with product information and also the links to purchase these two different products. But honestly, there's really nothing negative to say about these products. You know, it's just one of those perks of life, you know. You never knew you really needed it until you got it. You know, this just makes everything look really presentable. And whenever I review headphones from now on, I'm gonna have these stands in my videos to show off these, future headphones I review on this channel. And it just makes everything look more presentable and a lot more nice and a lot more professional. And that's what I really like about them. But anyways, that is gonna end off this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.